How to use Close CRM for beginners. Hey everyone, in this video, you will learn exactly how to use Close CRM, a fast, modern and powerful sales CRM. It is built specially for inside sales team. We will start with the basic like setting up your account, navigating the dashboard and managing leads. And we will move into more advanced features like sequences, workflows and reporting and more communication tools. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to use Close CRM to make more calls, send more emails, and most importantly, how you can close more deals. So let's get started. First thing first, if you don't know what is Close CRM, so basically Close CRM is a customer relationship management platform. It is designed to help sales team move fast and stay organized. It combines calling, email, SMS, and pipeline management into one simple interface. No extra add-ons, no extra integration. So yeah, now let's get started. First thing first, in order to start with Close CRM, what you have to do is just simply come on this website and log in or create a new account. To create a new account, you have to click on this try for free, click on it, and it will take you to the sign up page where you have to fill out your information like first name, last name, and email address. Instead of entering this, you can use sign up with Google as well. Click on this sign up with Google, wait for a few seconds. Now you have to connect with your Google. Just simply click on the connect with the Google or Microsoft. Just wait for a few seconds, select your Gmail account, then click on the continue. Or you can skip this option as well. Just simply click on this skip. Now you have to give information about yourself like phone number, how did you hear about them and what is your role on the team, how did you plan to use this CRM, and then you have to give what channels do you currently use. So you have to choose, and after choosing just simply click on this continue button. Now after that you have to fill out your company profile name like company name, website, industry, and how big is your team. So it will ask, do you currently use CRM? Choose your option and then click on this finish setup. Now after completing your sign up process, this is your Close CRM dashboard. You will land here. The left hand menu will be find like inboxes, opportunities, lead, contacts, workflow, and conversation. So if you ask what is inbox, basically inbox is for emails, calls, SMS, and tasks. And the opportunities you can where you can track deals and pipeline. If you talk about leads, so basically your contacts and account database over here. Now if you go into contacts, this is the contacts. From here you can add contacts and do a lot of other things. Now, if you go into setting, you will get the email option over here. If you want to add a email, auto selected email, right now this is no agent. If you want to select, then what you have to do is if you want to customize this email signature, you can customize this as well based on your need. Go to inbox. So right now I have already connected my email with my calendar. As you can see here, whatever it will happen, it will showed up in the left side of the calendar. So let's say I will create a task over here. This is a power task, power launched example. Let's say I want, after creating task, you will land us here. You can see you will land after that there is a option of meeting. So this is how you can connect your email with your calendar. Now let's go to basic settings. Now let's configure your basic settings. Let's go to into settings. Now in the organization you will go from here. You can change the organization name. Now if you want to change the US dollar, you can change it from here. Now if you want to add team member or team management into your uh, close CRM, just simply click on this new user in the team management. Click on it and it will give you the pop-up. Over here you have to enter the email address of that user, and then you have to select the role of that user, and then simply click on this invite button. It will send the invitation email to that person, and if that person approves that invitation link, it will redirect to this login page. Now if you want to manage the role permission, from here you can manage it like admin, super user, and user and restricted user. So if you want to create a new role, you can create it by just click on this button. From here you can give a permissions like manage organization, manage customization, manage group phone number, and manage team smart views. You can manage team template as well from here. Let's say if you want to give a bulk action, you can give that too. So this is how you can manage your basic team. This is how you can add your team management and give them a role. So now let's move to managing leads and contacts. Now you can import your contact as well. Now in order to do that, what you have to do, let's add lead first. Go into leads tab into here. Now right now we have some lead, just for example over here. Now what you have to do is in the top left corner of the lead, you will get to see there is an option of create new lead. Click on it, and from here you can create new lead. Now first give a company name, then give a contact name. Then from here you can import lead and data as well. Now if you want to review potential contacts, you can add that too. Just simply add name and contact name first, and then click on this create lead option. Now we have successfully added the name. Now from here you can add details like about them. You can add their address, you can add the URL of their social media. Let's say if you want to add description, you can add it too. And if you want to add task over here, just simply click on the add task, and from here you can add task and click on this create task and give a name to your task. And this is how you can create your task. And yeah, this is a contact, this is a lead. Now let's say if you want to change the role, or if you want to add phone number, you can save that too. Each lead record can be customized with status, custom field like lead source, plan type, and opportunity status as well. So there you have a lot of customization option after creating the lead. So yeah, this is how you can create lead into the close CRM. Now let's create contact over here. Now before creating the contacts, so let's try to understand lead management. So we have created this lead over here. So basically Closer gives you organize and segment your leads with a smart view. The powerful filter that lets you to create dynamic lists. For example, you can add filter over here like contacts, opportunities, address, email address, SMS meeting, and notes, all of those things. And it gives the contact and the status, the potential. So it's like you can see new leads this week, and if there is a hot leads with no follow-ups, you can just filter out, and this makes your sales outreach focused and efficient. Now let's add contact over here. Click on the contacts, and from here you can add your contact over here. In the top right corner, you will get to see there is a option of new lead. Right now I have already created lead, which is this one. Right now, to add a contact, what you have to do, just simply select that lead which you want to add contacts. Now scroll down a little bit and you will get to see there is an option of contacts. Now if you want to re-edit that, you can edit. If you want to add phone number, email address, and field, you can add that too. Let's say if you want to add new field over here, click on it, new field, and then click on this T social. Here you have to enter the value and click on the save the details. So this is how you can create a contact into leads. So now let's create a pipeline to close your CRM. as you would include in your. Now let's set up your first sales pipeline in Close. So what you have to do is go to opportunity tab. On the left hand menu, there is a where you can manage your deals and track progress through your sales process. As you can see here, this is the annual value. Let's say click on this sales, and from here you can manage your pipeline. And let's say if you want to create new pipeline, what you have to do is click on this manage pipeline. If you scroll down a little bit, you will get to see there is an option of click new pipeline, and then you have to give a name, for example test 1, and click on the save button. Now here you can define your stages, for example qualified, and then click on the add. Then you can add one more like demo schedule, and then click on the add. Then you can add one more proposal send, contract send, and one or lost. You can create the pipeline from. You can reorder stages by dragging and dropping, or add remove stages at any time. Once it is done, then just simply click on the save pipeline, and then this is how you can create your pipeline into opportunity. When you create an update and opportunity, you can assign it to a specific pipeline and stages. This helps you to visualize, track deal progress, and stay organized. Use different pipelines for different products and regions or sales team if needed. Now let's do activities and customization. Now let's look at how to access and customize your activities in Close CRM. Now what you have to do is go to settings in the tab, then in the customization tab there is an option of custom activities. Now over here you can see the default activities like custom activity, default example, and qualification call. Now what you have to do, click on this activity and archived. Right now these are some activities. Now just simply click on this new activity type. You can name it something like specific your sales process, like demo completed, and then click on the save button. Choose an icon and color if you want. Just simply click on the save. For here you can add fields. Once it's saved, your new customer activity will be available even when login intersection with lead. You can now track, filter, and report on these custom activities just like standard one. But why this matters? Customizing activities helps you to team log what actually happens during the sales cycle, giving you more accurate reporting and process tailored to your workflow. Click on the add field. Over here you have to give name, then text, then description. If you want to add field option, from here you can add that too. Let's give a name, just a random name, and add short description, and click on the add field. So this is how you can add field into it. So that's it. This is how you can use Close CRM. There are a lot of things to cover, but it will make long video. So if you want bigger in-depth video, just comment it down, I will make it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.